In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily react on someone's story on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Once it is done, just search for a story, then open it up, and then if we would like to react on that story, all we have to do is jump below here, tap at send message, and it will show us some emojis which we can use to react. And also we can switch to our reactions based on our Instagram avatar. We can use that one or this one. I'm gonna choose this fire, and once we hit at the emoji, it will send a reaction to that particular story. And then if we head over to our messages, we can see that reaction has been successfully sent to that user, and also it sends that emoji icon and story reply to that user's conversation. And here also it says you reacted to their story. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.